In this video, I'll show you how to use a Klarna card on the PlayStation Store so you can pay for games and digital content using Klarna. To start, make sure you already have a Klarna card created inside your Klarna app. Once that's ready, go ahead and open the PlayStation Store on your console or through the PlayStation website and sign in to your PlayStation account. After you're signed in, browse the PlayStation Store and choose the game, add-on, or digital content you want to purchase. When you find the item you want, select it and add it to your cart. Once the item is added, open your cart and proceed to checkout. At this stage, PlayStation will ask you to confirm your purchase details and move forward to the payment section. When you reach the payment screen, you'll need to select a payment method. Since the Klarna card works like a regular debit or credit card, choose the option to add a new card if you haven't added it before. Now, open your Klarna app, go to your Klarna card, and copy the card number, expiry date, and security code. Enter these card details into the PlayStation payment form just like you would with any other card. Next, confirm your billing address and review your order details on the PlayStation Store. Make sure everything looks correct, including the total amount and the payment method selected. Once you're ready, confirm the payment. PlayStation will process the transaction, and Klarna will handle the payment according to the plan linked to your Klarna card. After the payment is successful, your purchase will be completed, and the game or content will be added to your PlayStation library. You can then download it immediately and start using it. That's how you use a Klarna card on the PlayStation Store to pay for games and digital purchases.